guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm in LA and I am getting ready to see the live taping of The Big Bang Theory, and I'm just gonna do this get ready with me video where I show you guys how I'm getting ready for the taping and the tour of the Warner Brothers studio. And yes, without further ado, let's get into it. Minimalistic, but that's not gonna happen because when you want to dress up, you want to dress up, and that's why I have like this whole highlight going on, and like it's a little bit glam for the day, but I think I'm gonna be okay. Yeah, this is the final look and I hope you guys like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think. And oh my god, I am here in LA watching the live taping of The Big Bang Theory. How cool is it? Let me know what you guys think, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!